Hello, this is a quick video to go over a recent change in the Send Claims tab of Premier. In Release 6.16, you're going to find that the Check for Errors button is gone. Premier has been enhanced to now automatically check for errors before claim submission. This new feature eliminates the need to click on the Check for Errors button because the functionality is built in, saving you time and alerting you to any errors and warnings before your claims are submitted. Once you've selected the claims that you intend to submit, your next step is to click on the Create and Send Batch button on the right-hand side. The program will automatically run the error check before uploading any claims. This functionality is not a complete claim scrubbing system and will not catch all errors. It will catch most of your data entry errors, though. After clicking Create and Send, you will see a pop-up that says it's checking for any errors and warnings. And if any errors or warnings are detected, you will have a chance to review them. Let's click OK to view them. Now, an error would indicate that data is missing from the claim that is important enough to prevent it from uploading, such as a missing billing provider. A warning indicates that the data on the claim may be missing or incomplete, but the claim will still upload, although most likely be rejected at the clearinghouse or payer. Well, on our errors and warnings screen, you're going to see columns that display information like the severity, the actual message, the patient name and date of birth, as well as the date of service and the procedure code. You're going to double click on any claim to go to it and fix the error. So in my first one up top here, it's telling me that my place of service code is missing. So if I double click, I can easily see that yes, that is indeed missing, add the data, save my changes, and I can work my way down the list. There are some control options along the right-hand side of the tab. There is a button to create task in case you can't fix the issue right now and don't want to forget about it. Just select a claim. And you also have an option to set the claim status to on hold or any other status if the claim needs to be researched before it can be submitted. And lastly, there is an option to print your errors and warnings by clicking on the Report button, which you can print or export. As a recap, Release 6.16 of Premier, the Check for Errors functionality on the Send Claim screen is now built in, eliminating the need for you to manually check the button and ensuring you're always checking the claims before they are uploaded. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We're available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or you can send an email to support@EZClaim.com. Thank you for the time and have a wonderful day.